Kajing pen kriak ke Sorkar Jylla ban pen ken riak yagi college ki papenya so bat ke North Eastern Hill University ni hu Shaka State University bathamai kata ke Captain Williamson Sangma State University kala pen long yaki seng san hima ke be trei lang ha ke Sorkar MDA2 ke balam khmat da ke National People's Party ban bu Jingkylli ya ke ni ke jingtemu ke dei ke bala pen kriak lupa bat ke bada don ru ya ke jing Ïamir Jingmut. Habakan tho ekate ke sen jam ke Sorkar Jylla unong ai ketien ke BJP Meghalaya uba MH kar krang ulaong. Ba hadu menta kampat don setia ke jingya kren bat la shuyo I hakilat patai kubor ba ke Sorkar kapan ji itho nak University Grant Commission ya ke ni ke State University bathamai. Ulaong ba lada ke biang te kan bha palat Henry hab ban Ïamir Jingmut kum kibor penyat college baper ke Jylla. Ulaong ru ba omla ban khang yak CUET na kabanta ki samla pule ki bakwa ban beteng jing pule ki Central University kum kanihu bat ki weipat bat dei ban penslor ki samla pule ban don ka man sim yakun bat ki weipat ki samla pule ha ki weipat ki benta kari India. Dak ba ai man sim ki samla pule bagi dei ban klat ya ka bha kerpang bakin poi se ka thong ha ki jing pule ulaong ba ban don ya ka man sim yakom bat ki weipat bat kani kan penlong ya ki khon samla ban tingsan la ka long ha ki examen civil service ni ki weipat ki examen.
Atau si masni po ni po kubor kami tu ka artikel and tengah try koi kamtam ke academicians mengi ki pat baru ngilong kendit pi menang mudur menang perkat te ngai some interview ba mi ki kan ki professors ki kapau hi ba khamdan kan under discussion pe but stakeholders kan and ngina kan mau ni hu kalong bolong ta it took them about 40 years bahkan long kumbal kong ni level bagi point menta and still then kan nehu kampat la ban compete bagi bon universities na ba the kan no khamtam kan university Williamson Sangma University kamatang yu I rupat yu I and to have a university the tangi department so kan putli hindan to dan dia mencuak ka jing tip ke jung ali mencuak por ki mutat ki mut yang idea ban seng university ke jingmut I kalong ban wara ye gitu departments ki bakan hu komdam pi kamtam technical side kan that was the main idea of having this university kan then dia menta hadin dong try there was an amendment or something like a notification on perlu ber humanities gini ki bakan hu la le which means we are just duplicating your work bakal le kan hu and but probably kinai ka daw kan long ba dan kam su benle CUT ngatrai kan paklas ka debe tangnam ta ban like ta CUT and you get all the colleges government colleges ban affiliate but ka university ka ba pimpat sedang ru I think kan bakla pelak so ngin le party la ngi la appeal se government ba please consult with all the stakeholders shwa yo the pila consult they probably kala ban the best idea ru tam lang tip but the thing is please take all the stakeholders into confidence before you decide such a big decision kaman kata ya kalawai jeng ni ki kon samla jung ibu puli yo adin khatsan aposnam yo ka standard of education hangne apo ri ki jung kala nang yar as it is mentang lu kala yar yo kala nang yar su arsut na mentang decision with government then we have no one else to blame man ni hap ko no yele de kan ya kan ka pateng ka bangta bale ai kan but decide
hatu phi I bakani kalong penban ko kucing penslur ya pi kena benumi na tu comfort zone kayak bapilan
the thing is ka ki ni ka level of standard of education jungi hangne ni kampat la ban give up pace bagi universities ka shabar mo so and that competitiveness through class dang yar mo and in this pet mata kumgi central services mata ki post na mata ngi kampat penmi unu ru mo but kitu kiba compete like exams but kiba pass kiba job ru kibon ki ginde ba pulih ni di ba pulih ba cepat Delhi ne shabar kan so la ngi kwa ba ki khna jingi ki non competitive then we have to face competition I naman teng in su ai long chong mai bit kanu ba sok khna school jingi te khamda parkhat ke future jungu unle you can take a degree unle you take a master degree la he is not competitive enough when face the challenges of the world kan man to you Mentah pinlak kan no, BA pinlak kan no, to master degree pinlak kan no. Tama you put I keep begin face competition, they are not able to face competition. Mara level of education is low. The thing is, Kaneka Partai, the world of competition mentah, and that world of competition, if we want to compete with it, then the level of education you can no give it. Then mentah ni kuman dengan pendiarban level of education it's I feel the government should take a call on this and they should review, can even review yang order jongka, but please don't make what should make a decision kapan in regret later. That is what we have to say to the government.
Don't you people you should go beyond reservation.
Of course, the thing mentah reservation rule, atau mentah should depend on reservation rule. Mentah ki kena jungi ki ba police bahar ki without reservation and ki lek bah. Mereka kata bagi ki there's so many ki line bah police bahar tip tahu schedule tribe tip schedule kasi open competition back. But kita open competition ki kena jungi they have been able to compete. Beling in underestimate ki kena jungi te. Beling in underestimate. The only thing is that angi kwa ki brave jungi bikin long ki have that competitiveness haki. The thing is we have to build them up not do ki lower primary school. Narang ngimla ban le kata dan start seeing ngimla dalam compete. Mentah kamu tu pindan kita ki colleges ki ba Paunam ki IIM, IIT no, men ka LP school level jungi kalong mentah. Mentah bupli nong kendong ulit school ka bambiang no hikai bam dan ngai itu sen last kot kubor ba mi ngai ba don to no hikai ba di penyat timan yak bani hikai kena school. Now these are the things that's happening and this kan ka job government school jungi. Now lana government campaign community ki itu it's sad for you. It's really sad. How do and then we expect that na jungi dan lacha unile IS unile IPS unile IS unile face competition no, and you don't build them up at the lower level. Hey, so if you want lot of people na jungi begin to shine, then please start from the LP level. Then our boys will shine, our girls will shine.
Habatin, pej bahagi ki sharp plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpunyang kadut pej ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka batau bha. Kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jingmentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jingim bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.